guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna make shrimp pasta salad. Please stick around and watch this video. First, we're gonna bring the water to a boil to cook the pasta, and we're gonna season this like the ocean because you want the pasta to have lots of flavor in it. I'm just gonna cover it, and when the water has come to a rapid boil, we're gonna add the pasta, and we're gonna use elbows. Okay, you can use whatever you like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season my shrimp and lobster. You can use crab meat too, or you can just use shrimp if you only got shrimp, but I'm using crab and lobster, and I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You don't have to measure garlic powder, you can just add more or you can add less to it. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning because we don't want the shrimp to get salty, and Old Bay seasoning can be really salty. And I'm gonna add some paprika to it, and now we're gonna mix to combine the seasoning. And this is pre-cooked lobster. You also can grill the shrimp, grill the lobster, boil the shrimp, and boil the lobster. But I just like to saute mine, okay? The water has come to a rapid boil, and now we're gonna add the pasta, and you're gonna cook this until al dente or your desired tenderness. In a hot skillet over a medium-high heat, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using canola oil. You can use whatever oil you got. Now I'm gonna add the shrimp and lobster. I'm gonna let them cook for about 6 minutes, 3 minutes on one side and 3 minutes on the other. And you'll know when they're done, they're gonna change color. They're gonna change color. They're gonna turn into a nice, beautiful pink. We're just turning them on the other side for the other side to cook. The shrimp is done, so now it's time to turn off the heat, and we're gonna remove them from the pot. The shrimp and the lobster. As you can see, the pasta is boiled and drained, and I'm just allowing it to cool. I'm gonna use about a cup of mayonnaise. You can use whichever brand you like, and as we go along we'll add more if it needs any more. So that was a cup, and I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of sour cream. You can use yogurt if you don't have sour cream. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of Dejon mustard. I'm gonna use half a lemon to give it some acidity. You can use vinegar if you want, white or apple cider. 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. Gonna add some garlic powder, about a tablespoon. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of Old Bay, and now we're just gonna combine this all together. Now I'm gonna add the veggies. I'm gonna add red bell pepper, green bell pepper, 1 stalk of celery, chopped. You want everything to be diced. I'm also gonna leave the link in the description with the recipe. Half of onion chopped. Once more, we're gonna combine. Now I'm gonna give this a taste. Oh my goodness, this is so good. So you just want to taste now to ensure that this is to your liking. So if it's not to your liking, you can just adjust it to whatever you think you're gonna need in it to make it taste how you like it. The pasta is cooled down. Now I'm gonna add it to the bowl. I'm telling you guys, whoever you make this for, whoever you make this for, they're gonna love you, because this is so good. All the flavors gonna come together, and look at the color. Now I'm gonna add the shrimp and the lobster. This is it right here. This is it. This is how we do it. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Oh my god, look at this. No, sir. So we're just combining everything together so that everything can mingle and taste good. Looking good and tastes even better. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper to it. If you got fresh cracked black pepper, you can add that. Oh my god. We're gonna top this off with some green onion. Tell me about it. And here you have it, guys, my shrimp pasta salad. This is delicious. After combining everything together, this is what we have here. Look at this beauty, guys. It's smelling good. Lots of flavor. Lots of flavor. I'm telling you guys, this is tasting amazing. I love it, and you're gonna love it too. So all you need to do is try this recipe, subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. So thanks for watching. If you reached this far into the video, oh my goodness, look at this. So all you have to do now is to put this into the fridge to chill, and you can make this ahead of time. So you're gonna put this into the fridge to chill for at least an hour, or you can eat it just like this if you want, but it will taste A1 if you let it chill in the fridge for a bit. Oh my goodness, it's so creamy, delicious. Bye guys, see you in my next video.